Use Delta Executor with Gcash for Roblox, a 60-second guide. Before you start, have an active Gcash account, Roblox app, and your license. Open Gcash and confirm you have enough balance for the purchase. In your browser, go to the official Delta Executor site and choose the license plan. Select Gcash at checkout, follow the secure payment prompts, and authorize the transaction. After payment, download the installer and check your email for the license key. Run the installer and follow the vendor's on-screen instructions to install the software. Open Delta Executor and paste your license key to activate. Keep it private. Open Roblox only in a permitted testing environment or with explicit permission. Important: only use Delta Executor in allowed environments. Never to cheat, and follow Roblox's terms. Misuse may result in bans or legal risk. Keep the software updated, enable security features, and contact vendor support for any issues. Recap: check Gcash balance, buy from the official site, activate your license, and use responsibly. Subscribe for more clean tutorials.